Hello viewers, hello subscribers. I'm here to announce a milestone in the Uncle Benny's Garage YouTube channel. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone. I couldn't have done it without you. At least 1,000 of you. Do I get an award? Do I get like a plaque? No, 100,000. You get a plaque at 100,000. Ugh, that's not gonna work. You know what? Make my own. Make my own award. Need no award. We got 1,000. All right, I got subscribers a little off center. Ha! My own award. Again, thank you. Thank you to everyone. You know what? As a 1,000 subscriber thing, what can I do? You know, I don't have much. But what I do have are some stickers. So I tell you what, the first 10 people to comment on this video, I love stickers, I'll send you a sticker. There you go. But then you also have to email me your address so I can send you the sticker. And that's at the email on the video. It's like Uncle Benny's Garage 72. I'll put it on the thing and I'll put it in the description and you'll do that. First 10 people. I love stickers. Comment. And then email. First 10 stickers. All right. Thanks again. 1,000 subscribers. That's all you. Cheers.